first step, I've taken banana and just ripped it into little pieces. I'm gonna take a fork and just start mashing up the pieces. Like that. Until it's all mushed. See, there we go. It's all mushed into like not vanilla pieces, and then you take the egg, crack it, and then dump it in. After these eggs in, you just mix it all together. So then it's like all evenly spread out. So the egg's all mixed out, and put in 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. You can see the little brown chunkies where the peanut butter is mixed in, and it's kind of hard to mix in, but yeah, you could do it. And that's it. And then you cook it. Okay, so that's what they end up looking like. They don't make 2, there's some cooking on there. And so just take like a spoon of it and put it on, and then bam, cook it.